evening, everybody. It is your baby boomer, Kitty Lane from the Peninsula in Virginia, back with another Create and Relate. First of all, I want to thank all of my subscribers. You guys are absolutely great. I'm sorry that it's taken me a complete day. What I want to do at this point is go over all of the clue questions for the giveaway. And I do have an announcement to make. Question... Excuse me. Question number 1. Hold on 1 second, please. Excuse me, guys. I apologize for that. The clue questions. Number 1 is where am I from? Meaning, where did I grow up? Where did I get my background? Where did Kitty come from? Not where does Kitty live now. Excuse me, guys. But where did I get my raising? Number 2 is what is my favorite thing to crochet? And the questions number 1 and 2 are 2 pointers. In the first one, if you get the state, you get a point. If you get the city and state, you get 2 points. The second one, if you say broadly what I like crocheting best, you get a point. If you get specific with it, you get a point. For either or for both. Number 3 is a 3-parter. And that is, what is my favorite morning beverage? Okay? I often say what it is. Number 4 is also a 3-pointer. And that's, what is the biggest event that happened to me the day before my birthday? What was the outcome? And what happened to make me get there? Okay? Number 5 is a 2-pointer. I joined a fellow creator on my birthday doing a live. Who was that creator? Now, if you give me her name, cool. If you give me her channel, cool. If you give me both, of course. And questions 6, 7, and 8 are all 1-pointers. 6 is, how old am I? Been broadcasting it ever since like 2 weeks before. Number 7, what generation am I from? And number 8, how many grandchildren do I have? I am putting these out here. It should be out, let's see, right now it's the 16th, so this should be out on the 17th. I will be dropping the submit answers here video on tomorrow, which will be the 18th. and it will be anytime after midnight of the 17th, so be looking for that. Excuse me, sorry about that. Guys, after the contest, I am going to be taking a little break. Going through some emotional stuff right now, and I need to get me in check. I can't really say that anything is wrong. I know part of it is lacking sleep, and part of the reason for that is these crazy dreams I've been having. I told you a couple of them. One, I was fighting some weird person. Another one, I was a private investigator. And then last night, I'm running through a hospital trying to avoid some type of medical procedure from some crazy doctor. I have to get back in touch with my Zen. I do, and I have to get regrounded. I have a lot of plans for the channel, which requires a lot of work. I'm not saying that I'm not going to be here, but you will be seeing a lot less of me. But when I come back, I'm going to come back strong. I am restructuring ASL, teaching ASL or sharing ASL, because I'll be learning myself. So it's like, as I learn, I'm going to be teaching you all. So look out for shorts. There might be a lot of shorts coming out, but I am going to be coming back with some tutorials. Another part of it is that I'm really stressing myself out in pattern writing and not being able to edit my material properly. It's starting to really take a toll on me, because I know that I want to give you all the best of me, and I don't feel like that's what I'm doing. And I'm one of those types of people, when I go into something, I go into it to give my best and to give my all. So I have some research, some learning to do. I guess I can call it lesson plans to write out, and I just need to restructure some things. One of the tutorials you can look for is one of these little handy dandy market bags. I made this expressly for the purpose of it being a tutorial. It's just a round market bag, and I'm going to be sharing that with you. But I also want to learn, like I said, to write patterns. And it's like I get to a certain point and I get stuck. And I want to do better. I want to give you better. So, like I said, I have to restructure some things and reassess some things. But I am still holding true to the giveaway. I'm not taking that away from anybody. I'm excited that we reached that milestone, but I'm desperately trying to reach other milestones. And I'm taking all the blame for that. I am, because I feel that if I were better, then I would be in a better position. I desperately want to be monetized. I want I want to be able to do more, and then I have to restructure my way of doing things. I am still surrounded by whips, and it's frustrating when I look over and see something and be like, oh my God, I need to finish that. 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 Oh my God, and it's overwhelming. My sweater, I got so far on my sweater. I have 7 more rows to put across the top panel in the back and one of the front lapels. Sew that part together, make the sleeves, do the rimming. I am going to add a hood. I'm still up in the air about the pockets. I love pockets. So I'm pretty sure there are going to be pockets. Excuse me, I just don't know what color yet. It looks like I have enough blue and gray left. I may just be doing the pockets that way. I know the hood. I have enough to do the hood. So I'm going to do the hood in that color. And yeah. So I will be seeing you guys. I just won't be seeing you as much in the videos here. And like I said, I am going to focus on the shorts. And just trying to get there. So I'll run over the questions one more time. Number 1, 2-pointer. Where am I from? Where was I raised? Where did I grow up? Number 2, 2-pointer. What is my favorite thing to crochet? More specific, your chances of getting 2 points are better. Number 3, a 3-pointer. What is my favorite morning beverage? Okay, in this you can say brand name, because I've done that. You can say kind, because I've told you that. You can say any additives, because I've told you that. So those are the 3 things that can be 3-pointers. But you can get any one item in that correct and you would still get a point for that. Number 4, it's also a 3-pointer. And that's what the event happened to me the day before my birthday. What was the outcome? And what happened that got me there? Number 5 is a 2-pointer. And that's I joined a fellow creator on my birthday doing a live. Who was that creator? And or what was the name of their channel? Or what is the name of their channel? Number 6, a 1-pointer. How old am I? Number 7, a 1-pointer. What generation am I from? And number 8, a 1-pointer. How many grandchildren do I have? Please remember to have all of your answers in by midnight on the 23rd. I will not accept any answers after that. They will not be considered entries. I will go through all between the 23rd and the 28th. If you got wrong answers, I will let you know the question and the fact that you got something wrong. Now, say it's number 4, a 3-pointer, and you get 2 of them correct and 1 of them wrong, and you got every other question correct. I could let that go and just give you the 14 points, but I will let you know. I will reply in the message, you got number 4 almost right. There's one part of it that's wrong, but I won't tell you what part it is. If you change all 3 of your answers, I will keep the 2 correct answers. I won't penalize you in that way. Okay, I'm just looking for you to get that 3rd one so you can get those 15 popsicle sticks in there. I wanted to say that, and please understand that I'm sorry, y'all. I am the only person sponsoring this. No one is helping me with this. This is something that I wanted to do. It's my way of saying thank you for the 15,000 views. We're close to 16,000 now, and that does my heart good. That makes me so happy. But like I said, I want to give you guys the best. I'll also send my deepest regret that I cannot include anyone other than U.S. residents. I cannot afford the shipping right now. So yeah, it has to be U.S. residents, or you have to have a U.S. address that I can send it to. So there we are. I will drop that other video anytime after midnight of the 17th, and that it will be the submit answers here. Pour your answers in by all means. I guess you all know by now I do answer all comments, so I'm definitely going to be looking forward to those. Once you do that, and once I go through everything and we do whatever exchanges need to be done within those 5 days, and that's been cut off on the 28th, my granddaughter will be shaking up the container that has the popsicle sticks, and my grandson will reach in and draw 1 popsicle stick, 1 winner, and that winner will receive the nice little package that I have for you. It is basically geared towards crocheters, the package is, but if you're a knitter, it's some pretty good stuff in there that you would like to. And yeah, that's where we are. But after the 30th, after the cutoff date, the deadline, you're going to definitely see a lot more shorts and less videos. Every now and then I'll pop one in, but I am going to pull back until I get my mental straight. Okay. I love you guys. I really, really, really do. And I want you to focus on loving you as well, because that is the greatest love of all. And none of this has anything to do with me loving me any less. So don't think that. It's just that I have put so much on my plate. I can't see the plate anymore. And I have to either move some things around or go back and do some prioritizing. My room has gotten to the point that I feel closed in. And when I start feeling closed in, my whole demeanor changes. My whole mood just goes down, because I feel like the clutter is zapping my energy. And I've got to change that. So, like I said, there's a lot to it. There are a lot of components involved, and I really cannot go into everything, but you do deserve a proper explanation, and that is, I gotta get my psyche right. I do. I have to. I don't want to slip into a depression. I'm not there. I'm just like hyper focused right now, and I'd really rather work these things out while I'm in that frame of mind, and not take anything from you all in the process. So, like I said, love yourself. It is the greatest love of all. You cannot give others the love that they deserve if you don't love yourself the way that you deserve to be loved. And you deserve the best. You really do. We all deserve the best. And in this, please know that I do love you. Each and every one of you. And I thank you for the journey thus far. And you're going to be seeing me when I come back, like boom, boom, boom. Y'all are going to be like, oh, there she is. Oh, yeah. But I got to go work on the fantastic so I can bring you guys that. But anyway, know that I'll be here. I'll be seeing you soon. I love you. Peace out.